Hey friends, if you encounter the camera app error 0xA00F424F with the additional error code 0x80004005 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now the first solution is to run the camera troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane select troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the camera troubleshooter. Okay. The next solution and the main solution is to reset the camera app. So go to apps on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, wait for the list to load, search for camera in the bar, click on the three dots associated with camera, select advanced options, and then scroll down, click on terminate, click on repair and let it repair the app. Click on reset and then click on reset now. This will solve the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.